Hello and welcome to Mindful Success, where we help you achieve your goals through mindfulness, positivity, and personal growth. In this video, we'll be exploring 5 mindful habits that can help you achieve greater success in all areas of your life. Our first habit is setting intentions. By setting clear and specific intentions for what you want to achieve, you can focus your energy and attention on what's truly important. Whether it's a career goal, a personal goal, or a relationship goal, setting intentions can help you stay on track and motivated. Our second habit is practicing gratitude. By cultivating a mindset of gratitude, you can shift your focus from what you don't have to what you do have. This can help you appreciate the present moment and feel more positive and fulfilled overall. Our third habit is mindful breathing. By taking a few deep breaths and focusing on your breath, you can calm your mind and reduce stress and anxiety. This can help you stay centered and focused, even in challenging situations. Our fourth habit is mindful movement. Whether it's yoga, tai chi, or simply taking a walk in nature, mindful movement can help you connect with your body and feel more present and grounded. Our final habit is self-reflection. By taking time to reflect on your thoughts and actions, you can gain insight into your patterns and habits. This can help you make positive changes and overcome obstacles on your path to success. And there you have it, 5 mindful habits for success. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you can achieve greater success and fulfillment in all areas of your life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Mindful Success for more videos like this.